The amount of transmission we have right now is much higher than last year's back-to-school season. TV 11's Ashley Godwin was at the governor's weekly briefing this afternoon where concerns over school safety were addressed.
It was asked if these new cases were related to back to school, with teachers and staff getting ready for students headed back to the classroom. Dr. Romero said no, saying there is no evidence to suggest that any of these new cases are related to school districts.
There was one of the earlier schools that opened did have an increase, but across the board at this time we have no single district or school that's showing an outbreak.
Schools can expect more safety measures provided by the state for children headed back to the classroom. More than 500,000 high filtration masks will be sent across Arkansas.
That should be delivered this week, and that includes specifically 325,000 that are designed for children's masks.
Many schools have also taken it into their own hands to implement safety precautions with mask mandates after Pulaski County Circuit Judge blocked the ban.
And of the 262 school districts, 118 have adopted a mask policy, and that covers a majority of the students in Arkansas.
Dr. Ivy Pfeffer with the Department of Education said since the start of school this week, all have managed to stay open and none have had to pivot due to outbreaks. But with the concern of students contracting COVID, schools are asked to be forgiving during changes of virtual and in-person learning, and the Department of Health is looking at ways to expand testing in districts.
We have encouraged our schools to be as flexible as possible with student and staff attendance policies to allow students and staff to stay connected even when they are at home.
Something else schools are doing are vaccination clinics, so students and staff that are eligible can get the shot on campus. And if you do come down with symptoms, if you're a teacher or student, you're asked to stay home and get tested. In Little Rock, Ashley Godwin, THV 11 News.